The question: a body is thrown vertically upward from a point A 125 meter above the ground. It goes up to a maximum height of 250 meter above the ground and passes through A. On its downward journey, the velocity of the body when it is at a height of 70 meter above the ground is. Body thrown vertically upward from a point A 125 meter above the ground. This is the ground. Thrown upward. The point that goes up a maximum height of 120. So this is the point A. This is a point A. Here the distance is from the ground is 125 meter and it projected upward. It reaches a maximum height. The total distance is 250 meters from here to here. Then the velocity of the body when it is at a height of 70 meter from above the ground. This is the ground. From here to here, the distance is 70 meter. At this point you calculate the velocity v is equal to how much? But the total distance is 250, but you calculated 70. The remaining distance, this one is, so that is 250 minus 70. That is 250 minus 70 is equal to 180. Okay, so this is it moves downward means the velocity, the freely fall velocity formula v is equal to under root of 2gh. Root of 2 into g is given 10, h is the 180. So that is equal to 180. 18 2 is 36. 36 means 6. Here we have the 2 zeros, so the 1 0. The velocity v is equal to 60 meter per second. The fourth option is correct. The question: a particle starts moving from a rest with uniform acceleration. It travels a distance x in first 2 seconds and distance y in the next 2 seconds. Then a particle starts moving from rest. Moving from rest means initial velocity is 0 with uniform acceleration. It travels a distance means s is equal to x in the first 2 seconds. Time 2 is equal to 2 seconds. So from equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus of at square. S is the x, u is 0 plus half a is the g, 2 is the 2 square. Therefore x is equal to half g into 2 square is 4. This is equation number 1. Next and distance y in the next 2 seconds. Distance y is the next 2 seconds. Here also the case 2, u is 0 and s is the y and time t is next 2 seconds means 2 plus 2. Initial is 2 and after 2 seconds means 2 plus 2, we get 4 seconds. Same equation you substitute, that is s is equal to ut plus of at square. S is what? Y, u is 0, half a is the g, t is 4 square. So y is equal to So sorry, s, the displacement after 2 seconds means y plus x. This is also x plus y, and this one is x plus y. So half g4 into 4. Half g4 is what? From equation 1 here, this is the x. Therefore x plus y is equal to 4x. So y is equal to 4x minus x is the, that is the 3x. So this is the answer. So first option is the correct answer. A stone is dropped from the top of a tower of height 45 meter. 1 second later, another stone is thrown down from the top of the tower. Both stones reach the ground at the same time. If g is equal to 10 meter per second square, magnitude of the initial velocity of the second stone is. So stone is dropped from the top of the tower. This is the ground. This is the tower. One is dropped. This is, I think, the first ball. Drop it down. So height h, that is 45 meters. The time taken to reach the ground is same, that is t1, and 1 second later the second ball, another ball. So 1 second later another ball. Stone thrown down. So here giving some velocity u. Here initial velocity in first ball is 0. So the time t1, the second ball reaches the time is t2. So time t is equal to, we know formula under root of 2h by g. So root of 2, h value is 45, the g value is 10. So root of 45 to ja 90 by 10, root 9. So the time is 3 seconds. So time t 3 seconds. After 1 second later, so therefore, so later 1 second, the time t is, I think 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 seconds. The question, the magnitude of the initial velocity of the second stone. Second stone initial velocity calculate. Using from equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus of at square. S is nothing but h. The h value, that is 45, and u is the determination. T value is 2 plus half. A value is nothing but g. The g is 10 into t square. T is the 2 square. So 2 square. Here 45 is equal to 2u, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja 4 plus 5, 20. So 45 minus 20 is equal to 2u. 2u is equal to 25. Therefore, initial velocity of the second stone, u is equal to 25 by 2. So that is 12.5 meter per second. This is the answer. So therefore, fourth option is correct.